So first, gather the equipment and the necessary linens to promote organization and efficiency. So here are the equipment. After that, I will perform hand hygiene and wear a PPE, which is the glove. After that, I will adjust the bed height to my comfortable working height to prevent back strain. So now I am done adjusting the bed height. Now I am going to disconnect all the devices, the call bell, all the tubes that is attached here in the bed. Okay, assuming that I am now done disconnecting all the devices, I will now remove these gloves and I will wear another one. Okay, assuming that I am done wearing gloves, now I will lose all the bed linens. Now I am going to remove the cover of the pillow. Now I'm going to roll the soiled linens. And after removing the soiled linens, I will now dispose it here for the laundry. Now I will prepare the mattress and I will check if there are any dirt or any kind of insects. Okay, as what I can observe, the mattress is now ready. Now I will place the bottom sheet. So this is the bottom sheet. Okay, after placing the bottom sheet, I will remove my gloves and wear another gloves, a clean gloves. Okay, now I am done placing my new gloves. Now I am going to place this bottom sheet. I will tuck it here, side by side, to ensure that it is okay. Now I will place the draw sheet or the protective pad. Okay. Here's the protective pad. Okay, this protects the mattress and facilitates patient movement. And after that, I will now secure the near side. I will tuck it here. And after that, I will place the top sheet or the blanket. So after placing the top sheet, I will tack it on the foot end. So after that, I will make a cuff. I will fold the top edge. And after that, I will finish the other side, and this ensures the neatness and efficiency. And after that, I will apply the pillowcase. So here is the new linen. This is to maintain cleanliness and comfortable. So now I am done applying the pillowcase. I will now place it here. After that, now I will fan fold the top linen so that the patient can lay down here comfortable and more easier. And after that, I will attach the call bell. I will also attach all the tubes that are inserted here a while ago. Assuming that I am now done putting or attaching all the call bell on, and now I will raise the side rail and lower the bed. Now I will lower the bed. Okay. Now I'm going to dispose all the soiled linens to prevent infection spread. Okay, now I am done disposing all the soiled linens. Now I will remove my PPE and do a hand hygiene. Okay, now I am done and we are done with our procedure. Thank you.